Good morning, teacher. My name is Aura Clemencia Negra Izquierdo. This is word Logistc process and the tools. What should you do? Read the cause on the blood and answer the following questions. What? Identify the nature of the card in the case. Masset coal limitage is a company which exports blood and the medium volatile metallurgical dangerous cargo, extra-dimensional cargo and special weights. 2. Identify the encounters used by the company and explain them. You must, based on the latest encounters, grade 2017. In the port of Barranquilla is used the encounter fleet on board, and in the port Buenaventura is used the encounters delivery duled by fleet on board. Seller fulfills this obligation to deliver when the goods have passed over the ships, the main port of shipment. This term can only be used for sea or inland waterway transport. Delivery to the point. Seller is responsible for delivering the goods to the main place in the country of the buyer and price at cost. Bring the goods to the destination, including import duties and taxes. The seller is not responsible for underlining. 3. Identify and describe the documents used in the DFA, then say which is the most important and with. Sport licenses, certificate of origin, bill of lading for pot to port shipped, packing list, commercial invoice export, award bill, insurance policy. The most important document is the export license, because without this official document there is not a right to export a specific quantity of a product to a particular country. 4. Based on the PDF, Modulo 1 explains the containers and pallets used in Logistc process. Pallets in Logistc are used according to because they can be reusable, because they are 2 or 4 inputs, because of their simpler or double base structure. Pallets are made of wood, plastic, or cardboard. Containers are structures used for maritime, land, or multimodal transport. Containers are made of steel, aluminum, and fiberglass. Standard containers and heat cube containers sizes 20 feet and 40 feet. A bibliographic. Thank you.